The 2025 Kia Soul is back with a bold design, upgraded technology, and impressive performance. Whether you're looking for a city-friendly ride or a road trip companion, the Kia Soul delivers versatility, efficiency, and style. In this article, we'll cover everything you need to know about the 2025 Kia Soul, including its specs, features, pricing, and why it stands out in the compact SUV market. Bold design and exterior upgrades. The Kia Soul has always been known for its boxy, quirky design, and the 2025 model keeps that tradition alive with a fresh modern twist. New LED lighting for a sleek and futuristic look. Updated grille and bumper for a more aggressive stance. Available in exciting new colors, including lunar orange and midnight blue. Sporty GT line trim for those who want a more performance-oriented style. Spacious and tech-loaded interior. Step inside the 2025 Kia Soul, and you'll find a surprisingly spacious and tech-savvy cabin. 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Harman Kardon premium audio system for music lovers. Wireless charging and multiple USB-C ports for convenience. Spacious cargo area with up to 62.1 cubic feet of space when rear seats are folded. Performance and fuel efficiency. The 2025 Kia Soul offers a smooth and efficient driving experience, perfect for urban commuters and weekend travelers alike. Standard 2.0L four-cylinder engine producing 147 horsepower. Fuel efficiency. Up to 30 mpg city, 35 mpg highway. Sport-tuned suspension available on GT line trim. Electric Kia Soul EV option with an estimated 250-mile range. Advanced safety and driver assistance features. Kia prioritizes safety, and the 2025 Soul is packed with advanced features to keep you protected. Kia DriveWise Safety Suite includes Forward Collision-Avoidance, Lane Keeping Assist, Adaptive Cruise Control, Blind Spot Monitoring, Rear Cross Traffic Alert, High-strength steel construction for added durability, Standard rear-view camera and optional 360-degree parking camera. Trim levels and pricing. The 2025 Kia Soul is available in multiple trims to suit different budgets and preferences. Why the 2025 Kia Soul is a smart choice. The 2025 Kia Soul remains a top pick in the compact SUV segment because of its affordable price compared to competitors like the Honda HR-V and Toyota Corolla Cross. Unique, stylish design that stands out on the road. Tech-packed interior with modern conveniences. Excellent fuel efficiency and available EV model. Top-rated safety features for peace of mind. If you're looking for an affordable, stylish, and tech-loaded compact SUV, the 2025 Kia Soul is a fantastic option. Whether you need a reliable daily driver, a fun weekend car, or an eco-friendly EV, the Soul offers something for everyone. Would you buy the 2025 Kia Soul? Let us know in the comments.